Another day has almost come and gone. I can't imagine what else could go wrong. Rescue me, rescue me. Been only forgotten in my time of need. Rescue me. To já, zrozená z nemocných básníků, z tichých vět po nocích utkaná. To já, zrozená, není mi do smíchu, když mám být pod cenou prodaná. Praise the Lord and pass the ammunition, kneel it tomorrow of my 12-ounce attrition. I don't know where I've been heaven, but I'm arriving on a sin wagon. There is a house in New Orleans they call the rising sun. It's been a once upon a time I did believe in my true love that swept me off my feet. Then the wind of change swept me away and left me drowning in my own pain. I don't know that I will ever love again. It's a price that I must pay for all my sins. Time has changed me. Ptáte se, jak to bylo dál? Ten příběh vlastně ještě nemá konce. Otázkou zůstává, kdo a koho a proč nakonec opustí. A co je to vlastně za tajuplné síly, které nás k sobě přivádí? Well, he had no time to call me, 'cause he never stayed at home. He refused to take me with him, he'd rather go alone. Well, he didn't want to hold me, and he had no time to talk about our pain and trouble. Now he's the one at fault. When the wind is right, you hear the song, smell whiskey in the air. Midnight in Montgomery, he's always singing there. He's always singing there. It's another heartbreaker's lullaby. It's another cold-hearted, dirty lie. There'll be a long trail of tears left behind. My eyes have been opened, now she's the one who's blind. Yes, my eyes have been opened, now she's the one who's blind. Já půjdu za tebou.